Hey guys, what's up? Tips here, and today we have an unboxing of the EarPollution iFrogz LUXE Microbud with microphone. So I picked it up at DG Lifestyle in Shatin, Hong Kong for $250. So let's go ahead and open this. So pretty sweet packaging with the sticker, the thing, and the text, then a clear plastic to see the headphones, the earphones or thing, and inline microphone for iPhone and BlackBerry. And here you have EarPollution and the warranty thing. So let's go ahead and open this. I don't want to break it up too much, so okay, here we go. Oh no, I just broke it. Tore it apart. Never mind. So here you have the whole earphone. So yeah, the microphone, as you can see here, and a small packet with 3 different sizes of the earbuds. So I think it is medium on this, but it doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead and take apart these things. So let's just wait a minute. Okay, here we go. The earphone. And the earphone. As you can see, I don't know, let it focus. Wow. So yeah, it's simple design with the L at the side here and a soft silicone in earphones, and a wire, and the 3.5 mm adapter. So let's just go ahead and open this. So it is quite long, as you can see, and the small and large extra earbuds. So here you go, the unboxing of the EarPollution iFrogz LUXE Microbud with the microphone. So as you can see here, the microphone, quite firm buttons like the Apple ones. Yeah, so I'll test this out for a few weeks and I'll post my update review on this soon. Thanks for watching. It's Tips here, and see you next time.